Welcome back, productivity enthusiasts. Today we're comparing two prominent business management platforms, and that will be Odoo and Monday.com. Let's delve into their features, strengths, and differences to help you determine which might be the better fit for your organization. Odoo is an open source suite of business applications designed to meet diverse needs of companies of all sizes. It offers a very wide range of integrated apps, including CRM, inventory management, accounting, and project management. This modular approach allows businesses to customize their systems by selecting only the applications they require. Users appreciate Odoo's flexibility and comprehensive feature set, though some note that its interface can be a bit complex, leading to a steeper learning curve. Now, on the other hand, we have Monday.com, which is a work operating system that enables teams to build workflows to run their projects and processes. Known for its intuitive user-friendly interface, Monday.com offers features like customizable dashboards, time tracking, and seamless integrations with various third-party tools. It's particularly favored for project management and team collaboration, providing visual project tracking and automation capabilities. Users often praise its ease of use and quick setup time, and may I just say that interface looks stunning. Now, if we compare scope and flexibility, Odoo's extensive suite of applications offers a high degree of flexibility, making it suitable for businesses seeking an all-encompassing solution. In contrast, Monday.com focuses on enhancing team collaboration and project management with its customizable workflows. Then we have ease of use, and Monday.com is often lauded for its user-friendly interface, which can lead to faster onboarding and adoption. Odoo, while powerful, may require more time to master due to its comprehensive features. When it comes to customization and integration, both platforms offer customization options and integration options. Odoo's open source nature allows for extensive customization, which can be advantageous for businesses with specific needs. Monday.com provides numerous integrations and an easy to navigate customization process, appealing to teams looking for straightforward setup and use. In terms of pricing structures, they differ between the two quite vastly. Odoo offers a modular pricing system, allowing businesses to pay for only the applications they use. Monday.com provides tiered pricing plans based on features and the number of users. In conclusion, the choice between Odoo and Monday.com depends on your organization's specific requirements. If you need a comprehensive, customizable suite of business applications, Odoo might be the way to go. If your focus is on user-friendly project management and team collaboration, Monday.com could be the better option. And that is all I have for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos just like this.